single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
People here come riding home. What's up? Yes. What's up, baby? Yes. Come on. Say what?
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Miss Mona, aka Better Than Bad, is in Dubai right now, vacation, enjoying herself with her team. And Dubai is a place that every soul must taste in the life of Dubai. And when you go to Dubai, a lot of people, a lot of prominent people, they go there to enjoy their life to the fullest. Why? Because that place, there are so much things over there that is being cited over there, especially the tallest building over there, Burj Khalifa. They have a nice place, shopping malls and other stuffs. But Miss Mona, she's on desert safari right now, enjoying herself. And this desert safari is whereby you sit on camel and enjoy yourself. There are a couple of artists omoba desert, and so there also I quite remember when Medica and Fela Makafi also came on desert safari to enjoy their holidays here. And Dubai is a place that a lot of people are going there to enjoy their life when they want to relax small. So aka Better Than Bad is in Dubai right now, enjoying herself with the team. Charlie, life is better, life is good, man. Shefom, life is good, man. Charlie, who was the guy? And no, and I want you to give me a chuwenum kra, chuwenum na yasi
Hi. Okay.